What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we got my boy Cam in the chair. I don't know why he did this suspect, y'all. We just gonna act like it didn't happen. We was playing music throughout this video, I'm not gonna lie. What you wanna do though, to start it off is, brush the hair down. Right here we're going in with our rose gold FX trimmers by and we're setting in our ball guideline with these, and I'll be back to you once I'm done setting this guideline. Also, set this guideline in under the occipital bone. That's like the little bone piece in the back of the head. Occipital pretty much means the back of the head, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's pretty simple though. Now that we're done setting our ball guideline, we're gonna go underneath and start taking out everything underneath that line to take away that bulk. Right here, I'm taking my wall seniors and I'm going lever open and just taking probably about an inch. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm really just doing right now. Just taking an inch of hair off to set in this guideline so I can start fading everything. I hope y'all liking the tutorials. Like, comment, subscribe. Right here, I'm taking my one guard and I'm going all the way up to his partner region. I'm not gonna go past that. This is the area where you just take the moment and just stop. So you just go all the way up to it. And right here, I adjusted the camera for y'all because I realized how bad of an angle it was. And also, I got a privacy screen protector on my phone, so it was hard for me to see like what my camera was showing. So I had to adjust myself to see what I could see. To see what the camera saw, so y'all can see, like, viewer-wise. I just simply closed it and attacked that line that y'all see that I'm now going in. Right here, just simply use the end corners of the blade to take out. So, well, this don't really just take it out. This really just lightens it up when you go across this line with the clipper that you have. But sideburns. So the way I would do it from here, it'll be closed halfway, then fully open. So that's how you would do it, blending up into the bow. Blending down, it will be in vice versa. Right here, we're going to go in with our foil shaver. It's going to be the area right under the ball guideline. That's the area that you're going to be attacking with your foil shaver. Now, my guy, as you see, he has a little something with the sideburns. So he don't want me to touch that. I just leave that alone. So I can't do nothing about that, y'all. If you feel some type of way, I can't do nothing about that. It's my client request. But yeah, you just go under that area with the foil shaver. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I need y'all to go ahead and do that for me. Like the video. Right here, we're going in half guard closed and attack the middle line to eliminate that one and just take it out. I'm gonna give y'all. Nah, I ain't gonna give y'all the hint. I'm gonna make another video for y'all, but I ain't gonna drop no hints in this video. But even though y'all got the hint, I got another video for y'all. Go ahead and let y'all boys know, or girls. But yeah, you're taking the half guard. Also, as you go up, open up that lever and brush continuously throughout your fade. I know I've been showing y'all a lot of fades, okay? I realized that I done did like 3 fades the past few videos. I know. Okay, I'm gonna do a taper one. I got y'all. I know. Actually, I did give y'all a taper. Right here, I'm just simply taking my one guard and cutting down everything at the top so we can just transition better into the fade. Right here, we're going in with our lever closed and, just simply flick at that line, especially with your corner. I don't know why the corner is emphasized for some reason. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I do fades, I use the full blade to take out lines, but I also use the corner. But I really just alternate in between those, like using the full blade and then using just the corner of the blade. I alternate in between those to, like, in certain situations to help myself or finesse my way out of, those sticky pause. I had to stop and just take a moment. I had to stop and take a moment, but yeah, just simply I use corner or the full blade to take out the line. I only use the full blade only if if you experience stuff. I only do it if you experience. It's more of a time thing. That's how I do it. That's one of the little tip I got, or like a gem that I have in my arsenal. But just to let y'all know. But yeah, this is the last step that we take, and it don't really just. I'm gonna be real with you. Like, cutting hair is like, for me, it's fun, and it's something also that I found to be, just relaxing. It helps me also de-stress, and like the conversation with my client that I have, it just allows you to relax and just enjoy yourself in the moment. That's pretty much how I just think about it. That's also, I don't know, I guess I just really have like a love for it. I don't know, I guess that's just how I am. But that's mainly how I think about like being a barber and stuff like that. I see it as like something I can do for fun, and also, as a career. So it's something I most definitely take serious. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I might goof around, but I still get back on track and do what I have to do and everything like that. So, alright, y'all, I'm talking too much in this one, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm pretty much cleaning up this fade and everything, just getting it right. So my client can walk out that door happy with a smile on his face, and he looks good in the process. That's pretty much what our jobs as barbers, right, to do. Right here, we're just taking one guard, a lever open, just cut it down. This is actually, we're getting into the lineup. Now I know that in my previous videos I was not doing lineup, like showing y'all lineups and stuff, but I'm gonna show y'all my lineup in this. So what I do for I don't know why he's doing this right here, but for lineups, I take alcohol, spray it on the napkin, wipe the forehead, and then I fold it. I fold it like a good 3 to 4 times before spraying, but after, like rubbing against the forehead to clean the skin, I fold it again and dry the skin off. Then I come back with my got to be holding spray and spray along the hairlines to lock those hairs in place. And now I will say my rose gold trimmers, they are 0 gap. I don't show my black ones like that because those are my kid trimmers. I'm not gonna lie to you, those are my kid trimmers. These are my heavy hairs. So yeah, this one lineup came out crispy. It came out crispy. I'm not gonna count. But y'all finna see in a couple minutes. Had to look at the time stamp on the video. This one gonna come out nice. This nigga grabbed his phone because it was playing music. So I don't know why. I told him, why are you looking at your phone while I'm lining you up? You know I'm recording you. But it is what it is. I ain't gonna lie, I figured out how to say that in Spanish. Es los kisses. Es los kisses. I think I said it right. If I said it wrong, let me know in the comments below. Whoa. Why is he looking in the camera? Y'all, I don't know why he looking into the camera like this, but yeah, it looks weird. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why he's doing it. See, like that. What is he doing that for? I told him I'm leaving it in. The video. Right here, we just come in with the enhancements. He wanted enhancements, per client request. So it's up to my job to fulfill that. But yeah, I know we all just saw those weird movements. I know it's a little dance, but dude, calm down. Seriously. But yeah, just simply apply the card to the skin and hold 3 to, I forgot how long it was. Pause. I think it's like 3 to 4 inches. See, what is he doing this in the camera for? Y'all, I'm just not knowing this in the rollback. I'm spraying again because I noticed the vertical bars looked different, so I had to fix that with applying more, because one vertical bar was longer than the other. And also I come in with hair fibers, and then after my hair I come in with hair fibers. This is my topic hair building hair fibers. These are dark brown, and the spray enhancement that I just used previously, that was dark brown as well. And I go in with my fibers, pretty much the same thing across the lineup. And after, what is this man doing? Bro, you in these spaces, Cam. Come on, man. Got to do better, bro. But yeah, that spice ball got him. Yeah, had to get him right with that one. I'm not gonna lie, when I spray it again, it burned after the enhancements is applied. So yeah, it's a spice ball on that one. But yeah, let me stop talking. And right here, just simply take your trimmers and go from the middle and just simply to the sides, and then hit the vertical bars. Here we're going in with our brown magic pencil, and you just basically trace it over the line. Make sure you don't have a wide, set this as a wide line. And here we're going in with our razor and angle it at a 45-degree angle, and just pull the skin away, and you're pretty much just scraping off. You just simply scrape into the hairline, the natural sitting hairline, and it'll set a more refined look for the hairline, which will last longer as well. Alright, y'all, this is the before. Had to get my guy Cam right. Had to shake him back real quick. And this is the after, y'all. If you like this video, like it below. And while you're down there, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that bell notification while you're at it.